If you're bootstrapping your business, it might mean that for some time you will need to be a one-person band. When I finally decided to set up a YouTube channel, one of the first things to do was to create a logo for my YouTube channel. So just like in my case, you'll probably need a logo, some designs, and perhaps also an animation like an intro or outro for your YouTube channel. Now, there are many ways to get that done. For example, hiring a designer, but if you're strapped for cash, and you're not a graphic designer, luckily AI is here to help. I will show you quickly how I created my logo and animations for my YouTube channel using only the tools that are available to everyone. So I went over to Sora and I uploaded a logo that said subscriber here, and I asked it to remove and replace the word subscribe with my YouTube channel name, Tim's AI Tips. I got 4 versions and I decided to choose this one. After a few seconds, I had my logo ready to upload to different websites. This is how the logo looks like, and for most use cases, it's alright. And a few weeks later, I decided it would be cool to have an animated version of my logo, so I went over to Flow, Google's text-to-video generator, and after some iterations, I got the version I wanted, which is this one. So in Google's Flow dashboard, you have the option text to video, and you can upload different graphics or photos. Now, since it was my first time to create such animations, I played around with my video generator using the ingredients to video option and uploading my logo. The method that proved successful for me was providing the prompt in JSON format, and I got it through Perplexity because I asked to research the best VO3 prompting methods, and it gave me the prompt. I just copied it and then iterated. Now, I got different results that did not meet my expectations. For example, it would change the design, or it would have these weird distortions, or it would add a trademark to my logo, which did not satisfy me at all. But finally, after over an hour of work, I managed to generate this. So once you're satisfied with your animation, just go ahead and upscale, download it, and you'll be able to use it wherever you wish. And there you go, you've got yourself an animated intro or outro for your projects.